Alright guys, welcome to another episode of the Olympus Academy. So today we'll be going through what exactly is the US CB consumer confidence. So later on, at 10 p.m. Singapore time, there will be the CB consumer confidence. It's expected to drop from 101.3 to 99.1. So here is a quick summary that I have done. So if investors or people are more confident with the US economy, they are able to spend more money and invest in the business. So it helps to boost overall economy and make the US dollar stronger. So if they are less confident as expected tonight to drop, people will be more cautious with spending and investing, slows down the economy and weakens the US dollar. So looking at the fundamental news ahead, looking at this, the US economy, the job growth softened from 230k to 180k in May. Lesser jobs, weakening economy. So the article also states consumer confidence declined from 101.3 to 99.8. So let's see where it will head to. If it comes out at 99.1, it will be roughly an average of the past 5 years data. It will be roughly right here in the middle. So it's actually quite low, nearly reaching the lows of 2 years back. So I'm expecting the dollar index to actually weaken. So looking at the daily charts, you actually notice that there's a nice little support area right there. So nice little support, you can pull it all the way back on the daily charts. So I'll mark it out. Supports right there. So if I actually move down towards the H4 charts, you actually notice the support very nicely right there. CB consumer confidence drop. You can possibly expect the dollar index to weaken all the way down towards the 103.600 level. So a nice little setup today that I'm looking at is actually the USD CHF. So I'll start off with the daily charts. So with the daily chart, if we pull all the way back, we notice that there is a nice little support right there. So the support very nicely drawn. We also have a resistance area. So price has recently retested the resistance area and the USD weakening. You can expect USD CHF to drop towards the support area right there. So it's a nice little 28 pip drop. It's actually a lot already for the USD CHF. So going towards the H4 charts, same thing, very nice, the support area. So I'm expecting price to drop down towards that area. So how is it? If you guys have any more questions regarding the CB consumer confidence, please let me know in the chat. Don't forget to like and subscribe to this video. So thank you for watching. I'll see you guys in the next one.